arbitrationagreements.org. Arbitration, in simple terms, is a method where two parties agree to resolve their disputes outside of court with the help of an impartial third party called an arbitrator. This is not just any ordinary decision-making process. Arbitration is faster. Traditional court litigation can sometimes drag on for years, whereas arbitration can wrap up in just a few months. A recent study found that the cost of arbitration is often 20% less than the cost of litigation in court. Now, diving deeper into how US arbitration law works. It is largely governed by the Federal Arbitration Act. This act prioritizes the enforcement of arbitration agreements. If you have signed an agreement that states disputes will be settled via arbitration, the courts are usually going to uphold that. Another fascinating advantage of arbitration is its flexibility. Unlike court proceedings, which are bound by rigid procedures, arbitration can be tailored to the needs of the parties involved. Confidentiality is another key highlight. Arbitration proceedings are private, and the outcomes are not generally made public. This can be a huge advantage for businesses or individuals who value discretion. Once an arbitrator makes a decision, it is generally final. This means there's limited scope for lengthy appeals, bringing a sense of closure for all involved. With its many benefits and backed by robust laws, it is no wonder more and more people are turning to arbitration for resolution. If you want to learn more information about arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you are interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You are paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.